Okay, so when you're removing the airbag from the Ford Explorer and you're coming through here, you're going to use, in this case I'm using a T25. You're going to come in basically straight from the side and feed it in, and you'll feel it hit the metal, and you basically want to slide it around the metal, and you'll feel it just catch. It does like to slide off and go past it. And there's also another, when you slide off and go past it, then you're just going to hit a solid piece of metal, and that's not going to do anything. So really hard to see, but you can go down all over the place. It allows you to go a lot of different places. If you use a flashlight and look through the hole, you can actually see some plastic contour designed to hold it in the right place. So you're feeding it against that, finding this metal, and then basically sliding along that metal. So you are going to apply pressure this way. So it's going to push out against this metal once you've gotten past that, and that's what allows you to do that. So hopefully that helps. A lot of the videos didn't explain that, and they didn't really show much. Because once you get to this metal plate, you want to apply pressure because it's just barely going to catch that. And if you don't catch it, you don't feel it, it's going to drive you nuts for a while. It does allow you to go, see if I can show, it does allow you to go all the way down and all over the place in there. So if you don't stay in that right groove, sorry, staying in focus, it's real easy to get off track where you are. And then you do want to be pulling on the top of the airbag while you do it. And it's not going to move a lot until you get both of them. So you just want to come out just enough and then let go, and it'll hold it there.